Hello everyone, we are Group 10. We'd like to talk about autograft. Transplantation is a method of treating diseases by introducing cells, tissues, or organs from outside. There are four types of transplantation. The first is autograft. The second is isograft. The third is homograft. The fourth is xenograft. Next, I will explain each type of transplant. Autograft involves storing or culturing one's own cells and tissues outside the body and then reintroducing them into the body, while isograft is a transplant that is only possible between identical twin babies that share HLA antigens and are immunologically identical. These two types do not generate an immune response called GVL and GVHD. Homograft is a transplant that is done from one human to another. In this method, immune cells recognize HML antigens that are different from self, resulting in GVL and GVHD. Xenograft is a method of transplanting organs and others from other species. When transplanted from another individual, the immune system recognizes the externally derived HLA and a specific reaction occurs. As the immune system becomes active, it has the effect of attacking tumor cells that have remained in the body, called GVL. On the other hand, it can also cause unfavorable reactions in the skin, digestive organs, and other organs. This is what is called GVHD. Next, I would like to talk about hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, a typical treatment in which autologous transplantation is used. This treatment is used in conjunction with aggressive chemotherapy for patients with tumor cells. First, the patient is given a large dose of a drug to attack the tumor cells in order to treat them. This also destroys the hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow, and after this treatment, the patient's hematopoietic capacity is reduced, resulting in a deficiency of various cellular components in the blood. In order to prevent this from happening, HSCs are introduced from outside the body to restore the immune system. This restores the patient's hematopoietic capacity and immune function, which can be done through allogeneic or autologous transplantation. Hematopoietic stem cells are the cells that differentiate into cellular components such as white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets, and are important for immune function. In the case of allogeneic transplantation, GVL and GVHD occur. Therefore, immunosuppressive drugs need to be administered for a long time. This makes the patients more susceptible to infections. On the other hand, in the case of autologous transplantation, the cells need to be transplanted are derived from the patient's own cells and do not show any immune reaction. This means that GVL, a favorable reaction, also does not occur. In addition, there is a risk of recurrence if the bone marrow is contaminated with tumors when the hematopoietic stem cells are harvested. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.